Research shows stress redirecting blood flow away from the prefrontal cortex towards the amygdala. That's the brain moving out of the upstairs brain into the downstairs. Under pressure, leaders essentially get locked out of their upstairs brain. They can't access the nuanced judgments or empathy because the downstairs brain takes the control.
That is such a beautiful mental image for leaders. When someone in your team gets reactive or defensive or simply shuts down in a meeting, they are not being difficult, they are operating downstairs. And if you respond to them using your downstairs brain, you are getting two reactive brains colliding with zero access to the floor where actually good decisions happen. The Legacy is Pakistan's leading neuro leadership institute. It empowers CEOs and organizations with science-backed coaching and training to lead with clarity, resilience, and impact.